into the structure of Solana, and lately I've been looking up some key crypto stocks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. These are the three top coins tradable in the crypto space. And I noticed there's a pending ETF for SRP and Solana. And once that ETF is approved by Securities and Exchange Commission after the US government shutdown, that could technically see some bullish move. And Solana was already on track after we had a deep retracement in the month of June. And the deep retracement in the month of June wasn't a coincidence, as was touted by other amateur traders in the trading space. We look back into the structure of the market. We have to look back into the structure of the market. There was a rally, a significant high on that rally was celebrated as an all-time high before price subsequently made a structure. And shortly after that, we had a breakout, and an M structure double top was formed, break of a neckline, we said. And the key critical structures I want to take note of is what gave birth to the ascending trend line, ATL. Have These are my key concerns due to the complexity of the structure and the strategy as well. So these are two ATLs that gave birth to the beginning of the structure. You need to look back in time to approach a price in a more holistic way. So we have after that, then subsequently price came back here and retested, making it after break of structure. We had that as another retest, and as well resistance becomes support on break of structure. A break of an M line, this is an M structure, double top structure. And shortly after that, we got a resistance which was pulled down, and the two resistance gave us an ascending trend line and subsequently became a retest structure. And in the future, if price comes here, that will also be another area of reaction. You also get a Solana, a tap into that structure will also face rejection. And this is the upper bound. This is the upper bound of the resistance. A tap also in the future will also face the same fate. So these are all technical trading. As market becomes completely out of structure, we begin to apply technical strategies in trading. And when you look at the structure that has formed a stronger bearish drop every time price taps into that ascending trend line, we have a significant drop in price. We had another one in the month of June, a significant drop in price. And the key thing to note is the demand floor. Now we have found our supply roof, and these are demand floor. On technical, this is a demand floor, and I would like to change the color to put it into perspective. And let's put that color into perspective. Now you see you have resistance here, and we have another resistance giving you a descending trend line DTL. And after that, break of two ROS level, ROS1, ROS2 breakout price came here, retested peak liquidity, and price came back and confirmed it. But the two body close are giving me a descending trend. I'm more concerned of a higher time frame close, daily close, monthly close, weekly close, 4 hours close. These are all I look at for. So the two daily close gives you, look at it from the line chart, ROS1, ROS2, give you a descending trend line. You go back to begin to pick the weak rejection, and these are liquidity grabs. Liquidity grab, RT SR1 retest becomes support on breaker structure, and we have another RT SR after retest, support became resistance 2, and price came back in the month of April. This is our most current price action, and you have seen a significant swing in price after what happened in April. Market return on an existing market structure zone and did exactly what was expected, because it came to the area of retest that has been tested before, making it a pivotal trend line and an important psychological trend line in SOL trading history. And you see when price returned there, you see you have seen a significant drop just for it to meet another structure. You had here RTSR level 1, RTSR 2, RTSR 3, RTSR 4, 5 break of structure. This is a retest in the month of March, and price came back to retest, and it came here from the double top structure. If you look here on your line chart on daily, you see an M structure. All you need to do is to look out for the neckline, and whenever the neckline is breaking, you wait for a retest after a break of a neckline of a double top or a double bottom structure, and on that retest to a broken neckline, you take your short opportunity. So if you have sold in line with this structure, that means you understand market structure. If you didn't sell there, that means you are still learning. That what it means. That what it means. So sometimes the incline. Sometimes it can be horizontal, but whichever way you found it, this is a double top structure, and the neckline of that M structure has been broken, and you are expected to short at this level. This is the level you expected to short at 214.63. 214, 214.63, 63, 62. This is the point you should short Solana based on the principles of a break and retest and the price action, which is a double top, a bearish, and all signs were all let loose. And if you look again, we have an additional ascending trend line by way of ROS1, ROS2, and finally came a RS3, giving you a double confluence. That is why you've seen I put up a double confluence here. We have an ascending trend line, ROS1, ROS2, ROS3, and it cuts across from a structure from here, and price has come to react to ascending trend line meet at a point, creating a high probability after forming an M structure. Of course, when you see price approaching a key critical areas and you're looking to take a position, allow the last M, the last W. Market will form first W, second W, you react. You first to complete the next, you go. First M. When it makes the first move, allow the MM to be completed. On the completion of the M, you can aim at the roof. Then you know that the market, then if it breaks out from the neckline, that is a confirmation. So once you have a breakout from a neckline, you have a confirmation. A neckline from a W structure, a neckline from an M structure, that's a confirmation. So you see what have happened here. After a break of that neckline, we have seen a bearish drop. And on technical, we have a support structure here, SR1, RTSR2, RTSR3. Breakout of that structure. So on technical, Solana will come to 85,886. Yes, so for now, I will apply my daily strategy and we'll continue to move it. So if you're expecting that Solana will continue to drop, and hopefully I'm looking at 83,081, sorry, 83.81, 83.81 as a next 83.81 as a next demand floor for Solana. So if price comes into that structure, it's going to be 83 point, 83 point, sorry, 86. That's 86.89. 86.89 will be your next buy for Solana if you're expecting that on Sunday. So I will continue to watch the price and continue to see how the ETF application unfolds with the Securities and Exchange Commission for forward guidance. This is what I see. Please let me know if you have a divergent view with our strategy, and let me know what you're going to contribute. If you like this, please like and share for algorithm so that we can continue to put up contents for free concerning crypto and other pairs if you like. Bye for now.